Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Devender. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to take screenshot using Python.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And this is the importing of packages which we are required to compile this code. Before that we have to install this package by using pip. You can use pip install PyAutoGUI to install this library. You can see that I have already installed this package so that it is showing the requirement is already satisfied. You can use this line of code to install this PyAutoGUI. And again we are importing this tkinter module to create a GUI and importing this time library to sleep our program for few seconds.
Are you serious?
Creating the root for our GUI and creating a frame and defining a function to take screenshot and creating a button so that when we want to take a screenshot, if we click on that button, it will wait for few seconds so that you can enter into other a website or other tab so that you can take screenshots. See, I have added this to our take screenshot function so that it will wait for 5 seconds, or you can even change this to 2 seconds according to your requirements.
Okay.
And see here I have added the command so that when we click on this button it will take a screenshot, and this is the one line of code to take a screenshot, and this is to save the file which name screenshot.png. You can even change this. Now we'll take a look into this how it works. See here it have popped up a window so that when I click on this button, see it wait for 2 seconds and it will take a screenshot. It will not show that the file is saved. You can even add that after the process completed we can print that a screenshot has taken. Now let me show the file saved over here. See it is showing that like it has taken a screenshot. You can even add, like after completion of screenshot you can even add this over here, like print screenshot has been saved to your current directory. Keep in mind that when you are trying to take a screenshot it will save into your current directory. You can even instead of time you can even add another module named keyboard. Okay, what this keyboard library does is it will wait for your key, if it will wait for your key to press so that when you are ready you can press the key, so it will go to further step. Now let me show it to you. See, I am commenting this code. Instead of this you can add that keyboard dot wait of escape. You can even add space, enter, whatever you want. It will wait for your escape key to press. After completion of after pressing of escape key it will take a screenshot. Now we'll take a look into it. See, I'm pressing this but it will not take a screenshot. I will even show that this is the previous one. I'm going to delete it. It is even waiting for my key to press. See, after pressing that escape key it is shown that screenshot has been saved to your current directory. See, now I will open that file. See, it is showing that screenshot of your current file. Okay, that's it.
No, God!
Okay guys, let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.